Hello everyone, welcome back to Nails by Mish. Today we're going to be making these nighttime trees. So first I started off with Cambridge Blue from the gel bottle. I applied it about 3/4 of the nail, and then I grabbed this blue gel polish. It's from Makarrt from Amazon. Honestly, I don't really know the name of it, it's just a number. And then I use my Ombre brush to start mixing the two colors together. So you kind of want to like feather them upward. And also you may want to try cleaning your brush in between, just to make sure that you're not mixing the colors too much or accidentally getting the dark color onto the lower part of the light color. So then now I just switch directions. And it works, you kind of just like want to pull down, just dab, mesh, kind of see I'm just like dabbing it. It's sped up a little bit. And then once I was satisfied with how this looked, I put it in the lamp, UV or LED lamp, for 30 seconds. Now we're going on to a second coat. So it's like the first coat, even if it's not perfect, the second coat you can work a little better. And same thing, blue, and then the light blue. Work the ombre brush. Decided to just go feathering downwards. I think if I were to do this again, I'd probably do more baby blue. Maybe like half the nail or a little more, because the darker color is very strong and very pigmented. And I would probably use the same brand. So I do find like mixing brands when you are ombreing is a little more difficult, and just because the viscosities are different. So this gel bottle one was a little thicker than the baby blue from Makarrt. The blue from Makarrt was like runny but not. So I was good with this and decided to cure it. Was I good with it? I wasn't good with it. I decided to add a little more baby blue at the bottom, just to feather that in there and just to make it a little more pigmented at the bottom. Alright, so now I'm applying a matte top coat. You can use any matte top coat. This one specifically is by Luminary. I just have it. They accidentally sent it to me, so I got it for free. So I'm using these two colors. So black by Nail Queen Studio, who was the person who trained me, and I'm using Giant by Young Nails. So really just starting to make some trees, just drew a straight line and started feathering outwards with my liner brush. Just keep feathering outwards. You can kind of do this in layers too if you want to cure in between. So I think I cured in between like these two. And you can do this design on a plain nail. It doesn't have to be an ombre nail. But I just decided to do it to showcase two different nail art styles, hand painting nail art and also ombre. So I use the green to kind of make some shadows and highlights. Well, to highlight more so than to make shadows. Yeah, so just kind of like layering in some trees. Just feathering, keep feathering. Yeah, so you see a straight line, feathering. Alright, so now you see I'm going in with the green. Just kind of going over the trees. They've all been cured, so the black is cured and the green is uncured. Once I was satisfied, I cured the green for 30 seconds. And then I applied a glossy top coat. I really like slowing this down in slow motion just because applying top coat is just so satisfying. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give me a like and please subscribe. Thank you.